Would you believe if you were told that each of us consumes 1 to 2 trees every year? It sounds implausible, doesn't it? Yet, it's a reality. Our daily lives are entwined with trees in ways we often overlook. From the crisp pages of a freshly printed book to the sturdy packaging that protects our online purchases, and even to the comforting furniture that adorns our homes. Trees are an integral part of our existence. These everyday conveniences, however, come at a cost. The trees we consume annually are not replaced at the same rate, leading to a worrying phenomenon we know as deforestation. Our invisible consumption, unseen and often ignored, is chipping away at our planet's green lungs, one tree at a time. It's a staggering number to comprehend, isn't it? But what does this mean for our planet? Well, brace yourselves, as our journey into the heart of this issue is just beginning. Trees are the lifeline of our planet, but why are they so significant? Well, let's dive right into this. Trees are like the lungs of our planet. They breathe in carbon dioxide, a gas that we produce in abundance, and exhale oxygen, which we need to survive. This exchange is not just crucial for our survival, but for all animal life on Earth. Without trees, the levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere would rise, leading to an increase in the Earth's temperature, commonly known as global warming. But that's not all. Trees are nature's own erosion control experts. They hold the soil together with their roots, preventing it from being washed away by rains or blown away by winds. This function is particularly important in hilly and mountainous areas where soil erosion can lead to landslides. Now, take a moment to imagine a tree in a forest. What do you see? Perhaps a squirrel scampering up the trunk, or a bird building a nest in the branches? Trees provide a safe haven for countless creatures. They offer food, shelter, and even a place to breed for a myriad of species. Moreover, trees are a vital part of the Earth's water cycle. They absorb rainwater and release it back into the atmosphere as vapor in a process known as transpiration. This helps to regulate the Earth's climate and ensures that water is cycled back to where it's needed. Finally, trees are the pillars of biodiversity. Each tree is a microcosm hosting a variety of organisms, from insects to mammals, and from fungi to birds. This biodiversity is not just beautiful to behold, but it also contributes to the health and resilience of our ecosystems. The trees we consume so thoughtlessly play a crucial role in sustaining life on Earth. But what happens when we cut them down? Well, stay tuned, because that's exactly what we're going to explore next. When we fell trees without a second thought, we aren't just losing wood. We are setting off a chain reaction of catastrophic consequences. Imagine a world without trees. It's not just about losing the shade on a sunny day or the rustling leaves in a gentle breeze. The effects run much deeper and are far more devastating. Deforestation, in its relentless march, leaves behind a scarred landscape that tells a grim tale of environmental destruction. The first casualty of this destruction is the loss of habitats. Forests are complex ecosystems that support an incredible variety of life. When we cut down trees, we're not just removing a plant, we're erasing homes for countless species, often leading to their extinction. The loss of biodiversity is not just about losing the beautiful and varied tapestry of life on Earth. It's about disrupting the balance of nature, with consequences that ripple through the food chain and affect us all. Next, let's consider the role of trees in our climate. Trees are nature's carbon sinks. They absorb carbon dioxide, the primary greenhouse gas responsible for global warming, and release oxygen in return. When we chop down trees, we're not only eliminating these vital carbon sinks, but we're also releasing the carbon stored in their trunks and leaves back into the atmosphere. The result? An accelerated pace of climate change, leading to more frequent and severe weather events. Lastly, trees are the guardians of our soil. Their roots hold the soil together and prevent erosion. Without trees, fertile topsoil washes away, leaving behind barren land that's unfit for agriculture. This not only threatens our food security, but also leads to siltation of rivers and reservoirs, affecting freshwater supplies. The damage we're causing is immense and irreversible. But what if there was a twist to this tale? Here's something you might not have expected. You have the power to change this narrative. It's not just about the big corporations or the government making decisions. It's about the choices we make every day. We can make a difference. Planting trees, especially species native to your country, is an easy and effective way to contribute. Trees don't just beautify our surroundings, they also absorb carbon dioxide, prevent soil erosion, and provide a habitat for wildlife. Supporting sustainable products is another way to help. By making conscious decisions to buy products from companies that prioritize the environment, we can reduce the demand for those which are harmful. Reducing consumption is also key. The less we consume, the less waste we produce. And here's the hopeful statistic we promised. One person can save up to 25 trees a year by simply recycling their paper waste. It's time to rethink our choices for the sake of our planet and future generations. So, are you with me to save our planet one day at a time? Let me know in the comments.